A huge number of business types spanning all industries rely on trading goods and products to make money. For many companies, their stock is their biggest investment, with many storing hundreds of thousands of pounds worth on site at any one time. If a disaster were to strike, few businesses would have the cash flow capability to replace all the stock on their business premises if it were lost, damaged, or stolen, which could put the company at risk of folding. Fortunately, business stock insurance exists to protect these companies' most valuable capital assets. This type of cover can put business owners' minds at ease, providing protection following an unexpected disaster. What is stock insurance? A stock insurance policy covers the costs of replacing your stock if any of it is lost, stolen, or damaged. Stock insurance is designed to protect you financially by securing your stock, ensuring you could continue to trade if any, or all, of your unsold goods were wiped out. This type of cover can be added as an extension to your business content policy. The cost of your policy will depend on the value and amount of stock insured, while any insurance payout will be based on the stock price of the item, not the retail price. Your business stock can include any goods, products, or merchandise you sell as part of your business model. Many insurers require you to keep accurate, up-to-date stock checks so that you know how much stock you have on your premises at any one time. In the event of you losing it all, they will use the stock checks to accurately estimate how much was lost in an incident, and how much to subsequently pay out. What is covered by stock insurance? Adding stock insurance to your business insurance policy will protect the standard stock your business deals with on a daily basis. Stock insurance can cover any goods, materials, or products that your company sells. It can pay out for the cost of replacing them if they're stolen, damaged, lost, or destroyed. For instance, if you sell clothes, all the clothes you stock will be covered. If you deal in high-risk stock, such as cars or high-end jewelry, policy costs are usually higher to reflect the higher risk and cost of repairs or replacement, and your insurer might need you to improve security at your premises by installing door and window locks as a condition of cover. Some stock policies also include tools and business equipment, while others exclusively insure your stock, that's to say, the goods you sell. Many policies are generous with how they define stock. It can include anything that will eventually be sold to customers, including products that are in the process of production. It may also include goods for which you've received payment from customers, but that you are yet to deliver, known as goods in trust. Raw materials to be used to make goods can also come under stock, such as wood and fabric stored by a furniture manufacturer, waiting to be made into sellable items. Typically, the policies cover damage, loss of stock against fire, lightning, explosion, boiler or gas, riot, earthquake, storm damage, flooding, escape of water from pipes or tanks, heating oil leaks, sprinkler leakage, theft or attempted theft, subsidence or landslip, accidental damage. The exact events insured by a policy tend to vary between insurance suppliers. However, most providers cover the cost of replacing stock due to a wide range of causes, so long as the loss didn't occur as a result of company negligence. Some examples of claims that a stock insurance policy may cover include tools lost or accidentally damaged, overnight theft of equipment from unattended vehicles, trade samples or promotional merchandise stolen from a trade show, computer equipment stolen in a break-in, damage caused by employees. Any business which holds a high amount of stock, whether that's to wholesalers or directly to consumers, should consider stock insurance. Businesses like manufacturers, traders, pubs, restaurants and takeaways, cafes and coffee shops, hairdressers and beauty salons, etc. A good way to work out whether you need business stock insurance is to calculate the value of the maximum amount of stock you store on premises at any one time. Then, consider whether you could absorb this figure as an expense if it were to all vanish. For many companies, this figure vastly exceeds any amount they could afford following an unforeseen catastrophe. In this case, a business stock insurance policy might be worth considering. The crucial thing when it comes to taking out a stock insurance policy is ensuring that you provide the right estimation of its value. If you fail to do this, you could leave yourself underinsured, which means you may have to cover the costs of the remaining amount yourself. You may even invalidate your entire policy if you provide an underestimation, leaving you liable for the full loss. When you're working out the value of your stock, you must establish with your insurer whether your stock insurance policy covers only the goods and products you sell, or whether it also covers your tools and equipment. It's essential that you get this clear so as not to over or underinsure yourself. It is possible to get an independent valuation of your stock from a third party, which can prevent you from accidentally over or undervaluing the worth of your on-site capital. Additionally, most policies only cover you for the price you paid for the stock in the first place or its RRP. If the stock has increased in value, many policies will only provide cover up to the amount that you paid for the stock, or its value at the time your company purchased it. A final thing to bear in mind is whether you already have cover for your stock from any of your other active insurance policies. Not only is having double insurance a waste of money, but covering items that already have insurance may invalidate both policies, leaving you at greater risk. That's it, guys. Let us know in the comment section below if you like this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing topics. And turn on the notification bell, so you will be the first to know when we drop another video, and thanks for watching.